In this video, we will learn how to rotate objects in 3D space. To do that, we will use the 3D Rotate tool. When the 3D Rotate tool is active, the 3D Rotate gizmo is displayed so you can drag to rotate the selected objects freely or constrain the rotation to an axis. The 3D Rotate tool can be found in the Modify panel of the Home ribbon. Alternatively, you can type 3D Rotate in the command line and press Enter to activate it. Once the tool is active, I need to select the objects I want to rotate. So I will select the 3D object you see in the drawing area and press Enter. In the next step, I have to specify the base point. So I will click on the lower left corner of the object to specify the base point. Then I need to pick a rotation axis. Each color represents a different axis. The red ring represents the x-axis, the green ring represents the y-axis, and the blue ring represents the z-axis. I will move the mouse until the z-axis path turns yellow, and then I will click to select it. As soon as I select the axis of rotation, a message prompts me to specify the angle starting point or type an angle. In this example, I will click on the other corner of the object to specify the angle starting point. Then I need to specify the angle's ending point. I will move the mouse and click to define the ending point. Notice that the object is rotated and the tool was automatically deactivated. At this point, I will undo the rotation to show you how you can rotate an object about an axis at a specific angle. So I will activate the 3D Rotate tool again, select the object and press Enter. Instead of specifying a different base point, I will keep Gizmo's position as the base point. That means that I can pick the axis of rotation directly. This time I will select the x-axis, type 30 to define the exact angle, and press Enter. Notice the final result.